Hi, this is JP Lennox and welcome back to my channel. So we are here in this $290,000 5-bedroom, 2-bath home, and it is beautiful. So I wanted you to get an idea of what it's like inside of one of the beautiful homes here in Rainbow Hills. So this is a home that is exactly 2,278 square feet, and it's on a 0.158 acre lot. So here we go. We have this living room as soon as you walk in, which is beautiful. We got a tiny little chandelier. Now tell me, would this be enough living room for you? I think it's pretty decent size. And then look at this stairway. So, got a nice little wooden stairway. I think we would probably knock this down right here. This little wall, I would knock this down. Comment down below if you would keep the wall or if you would knock it down. I personally, I'd knock the wall down. So this kitchen is awesome. Look at this. So we got this wonderful island right here. Look at those countertops. And these counters, these cabinets right here are beautiful. Check out what's going on with these cabinets. You see this right here? Completely custom. Customized cabinets. How wonderful is that? I don't think I've seen anything like that. So this house comes with a Nest thermostat, a Nest camera doorbell. It is incredible. Now we got other people coming to check this out. So, new appliances. Ooh, there's stuff in there. So they have reverse osmosis as far as like the water goes. Plenty of storage throughout the whole unit, or throughout the whole house. Appliances are in great condition. Wood burning fireplace. They got the half bathroom right here. So it's 2.5 bathroom, I'm sorry. So here's a small bathroom. It's really standard, but it's all right, it's good. Now, next best feature, they got the pool and the jacuzzi. Yeah, just real quick. So, we got the pool and the jacuzzi. Central air throughout the whole house. And we're gonna go up the stairs. So tell me in the comments below, are you liking what you see already? Because meanwhile, for the price, I think it's an amazing deal. Look at how big these rooms are. Okay, if my hand isn't steady, that's because I'm doing a whole lot of walking and huffing and puffing. So this is one of the rooms. It's ginormous. Oh my gosh. So we got this wonderful closet. Look at, it's just, this closet keeps on going and going and going. Oh my gosh, it's never ending. So much closet space. Then you got the view of all the backyard. It's wonderful, wonderful. So we're gonna follow the hallway that keeps on going. Of course, you got your crawl space. Now, the person who has this house up on the market, has just completely put in the new purification system, water softener, everything's brand new. So they have been really, really, really maintaining this house very well. So again, we got another long closet. So perfect for the family, right? Perfect. Now, 4 out of the 5 rooms have carpet. Got plenty of storage space. Look at that. Oh, wonderful. So again, we got this room over here. This one's more of the small, this is actually the smallest room. But, for the one who really doesn't have, as much stuff or doesn't really you know, just the one that's more of the modest one, or the one that really doesn't desire as much many items of the whole bunch, that could be their room. So this is the upstairs bathroom. You know, it's fairly nice. I think it could probably use, you know, a touch of paint or something like that or whatever, but there can be a lot done to this bathroom. Comment down below if you think that you would consider this house. Okay, so this is the other bedroom. Now look at the view of the community. Now this is in a court. It's very peaceful outside. Now, it's a Saturday and it's beautiful. This is the front yard. There's palm trees. It's just very quiet. It's a lovely neighborhood. You know, you got ceiling fans in every room. And then this is the master bedroom. Beautiful. See that shine on the floors? Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. So, and again, you got a walk-in closet. Nice shelving for inside of there. But my opinion on this. Okay. So I dig the shower. Okay. I dig the shower as far as like the tile that was chosen on the wall. And for a quick, easy little fix, I would choose a different mirror, and I would choose a different sink, a totally different sink. So that's my own opinion. Comment down below if you would choose something totally different. And I appreciate you guys coming on this tour with me. This is Rainbow Hills Community Living, and we are touring an open house. And I'm letting you guys see what it's like in one of these houses, and comment below if this would be something that you'd be interested in. And I'm giving you an idea of what it's like in case you would like to come and buy for your own. So yeah, we're in San Antonio, Texas. This is JB Lennox, and thank you for watching and joining in.